Dear friends, in this video we will learn about the text function like a left function, right function, mid function, trim function, upper function, lower function and many more function. So take the benefit of this function for extracting a data from your database. So let's start this session. Text function. This function is used to convert a numeric value into a text string in a specified format. Here, if you want to use text function, then click on Formula tab, then select text icon from the ribbon, then choose the function which you want, like this given in this image, right function. Through this function, we can easily extract the rightmost character from a string. Just use equals to equal sign, right in bracket, select the cell address and then mention the number of character and close the bracket. Through this below given function, your cell address is A2 and name of student is Adi Malik. If you want to see last three character from the right side, will show LIK. Left function. Through this function, we can easily extract the leftmost character from a string. Just use equal sign, left in bracket, select the cell address, then mention the number of character and close the bracket. Your cell address is A2 and name of student is Adi Malik. If you want to see first four character from the left side, then it will show Adi. Next function is today function. This function will show the today's date in MMDDYY format, like month, date and year format, like December 22 is the date and 2021. If you want to see today's day of the week, like Wednesday, then your formula is equal sign, text in bracket today function and then in double quote sign write dd 4 times and then it will show the day of the week. After that, if you want to see the current time of the system, then just mention equal sign, text in bracket now and then hours, minutes and am and pm in double quote, like this, which is given in your screen. Concatnet function. This function will concatenate the string in cell A1 and B1, like cell A1 is Sirohi and cell B1 is Rajasthan. Then it will show the output in the cell C1, that is Sirohi Rajasthan, in a single word format. Next function is lower function. This function will convert the text into lower case, it means a small letter, and formula is equal sign, lower in bracket, mention the cell address and close the bracket. Then here it will show the Rajasthan in a small letter. After that, upper function. This function will convert the text into uppercase, so just write the function equal sign upper in bracket, mention the cell address like A2 and close the bracket. So here this function will convert the string Mumbai, which is given in a small letter, and it will convert into a uppercase, it means capital letter. Mid function. Through this mid function, we can extract a substring starting in the middle of the string. So just write mid in bracket, mention the cell address, then comma 4 and then again comma 5 and then close the bracket. It means in the string university, it will find the fourth character from the left side of the string and then it will further show the five character of that particular string. So your output will be versi, versi. Next is len function. Len function will display the length of a string. So the formula is equal sign len in bracket, mention the cell address. This function will show the length of a string Rajasthan, that is 9, because here total number of characters are 9. Date and time function. So this date and time function, now this function will show the current date and time, like given here, December 22 is the date and then 2021. So through the help of now function we can easily check the current date and time. Today function, this function will shows today's date which is given here. Time function, this function will show the current system time. I hope you understood about the text function. That's all for this video. Dear friends, please like, share and subscribe this video.